Go, 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 go. What is up, everybody? I figured it's a nice little day to get out and ride, so I'd make a video. And yeah, I just got some Dunkin' Donuts because I'm a fatty little fat. Oh God, why? Why have you done this? What? Oh God. You guys are dumb. I'm never gonna make it out of here going left. Yeah, so anyway, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? It's been a while since I've talked to you. It was like New Year's or Christmas. Oh man, how time flies. Everybody still doing good? Holding on to your guns when people are trying to come take them away? I don't know where I'm gonna turn around at. I'm just riding for fun now. That's the high school I went to. Good times, good times. I probably should have turned left here and then turned around there, but I'm already over here, so let's just see what happens. Oh, the light's green, but we can't go because there's idiots in the middle of the road. Fantastic, everyone. Oh my God, I hate everybody. That actually happened not too long ago in the Camaro, and I got a video of it. Well, I got like the last second of it because, you know, the dash cam didn't start recording till it was like over, but whatever. Oh, it's the junior ROTC. I was wondering what these people in uniform were doing. I forgot about that.
I like revving at children.
Sorry, I'm really bored and hyper. I just had a lot of sugar. Guess I went to Dunkin' Donuts because I'm a fatty little fat. Whoop. My T-Rex ate your stick figure family. No comeback. Oh yeah, the old brake trick. What is this video about? What am I making? I don't even know. You want to talk about gun control? Want to get all political? I'll get political. I'll do it. I don't know what this video's for though. I just wanted to film. So if you want to sit here and listen to me rant, you're welcome to. But I don't even know what I'm gonna rant about. You guys ever like sitting in your room quietly and you're like breathing through your nose and it like makes a little whistle and it scares you because you're like, oh, what was that? And you're like being real quiet trying to listen for it again, and it turns out it's just your nose whistling. Does that happen to anybody else or just me? I wonder if that Mustang wants to race me in traffic. Yes, he does. I'll take a GT all day, baby. All day. Then I get stuck behind Karen in her minivan of slowness. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Curse you, traffic light. I'll get you next time. Anyway, I don't even have anything. I have some ideas for videos, but several actually, but none of them are complete, so I couldn't even do those, man. I'm so unprepared. You guys just got me on the spot. I'm all, hey, didn't see you there. I don't know what's going on. And I don't know, man. If you guys want something, want a special video, hit me up. I know a lot of you have been messing me on the Instagrams, and if you're not following me on the Instagrams and you're just doing something wrong with your life, I don't even know what's wrong with you. We gonna fight about it. That's what's gonna happen if you don't go follow me on the Instagrams. I do have plans for the Camaro, by the way. I'm gonna get it wrappy boyed. I'm gonna get it all wrapped up. What do you think I'm gonna do to it? What do you want me to do to it? What's on it? What would you like to see on the Camaro? Hot pink with purple polka dots? Ha! In your dreams, nerd. Road work ahead. I sure hope it does. I'm not, however, going to wrap the bike. I just got these new fairings, man. Why would I wrap the fairings? I've had people ask me if I was going to wrap the bike. I like it how it is. I mean, it'd be cool to wrap it, you know, but like, I'll stick with the car. Also, I ordered a new gun. That'll be fun. Any guesses on what it's gonna be? I'll give you a hint. It's not a pistol. If you guess correctly, I'll give you a free high five. That's right. An entire free high five. All for you. Some exclusions apply. See me for details. Not valid after 2020. I don't even know when I'm gonna get this video out, but I'm going to the boating show, Atlanta Boat Show? Is that what it is? I don't know, this weekend, whatever that is. My family wants to go and look at boats, so I'm gonna go look at some boats. It's gonna be a good boat time. Boats. 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 If George Washington were alive today, what kind of gun do you think he would own? Like, obviously he would own multiple because he's an awesome dude like that. But what do you think his main go-to weapon would be? I'll have you know, I killed 6 people with an MRE spoon. Fight me. Well, I guess I'm gonna end this video here because I don't even know what I created. This is just a wonderful mix of madness and weirdness, and I'm sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize. If you've somehow managed to make it through this whole video, bless your soul. I'll catch you on the flip side. Also, fun other little side note, congratulations to my fiance for passing her CNA exam. She is now a certified nursing assistant, and yeah, gonna start her little job pathway, that thing. I don't know what I'm saying, but congratulations to her. I know, like, being a nurse and nurse assistant is not the easiest thing in the world, but I'm proud of her for doing that, so congratulations. And anyway, peace out, Girl Scouts. Catch you next time. I follow him on Instagram and he follows me. I'll put his Instagram handle on the screen. We are clear for takeoff.